Hello everyone and welcome again to the channel of Chemistry Wala, your one-step access to clarify all your doubts and concepts of chemistry. In this video, we are going to discuss the answers of the question paper of Icse 2023 Chemistry. I hope this video would help you in your preparation for the upcoming board exams and would enhance your knowledge about the types of questions which are frequently asked in Icse. In this video, I have only discussed the answers of section A. The answers of section B available in other video. As you all are familiar with the pattern of the question paper, section A and B carries 40 marks each section. Section A comprises of short answer type MCQs, and whereas section B contains long answer type questions. So without wasting any time, let's move on to the section A of the question paper 2023 Icse Chemistry. So the first question of the section A starts off with MCQ. The first question is an element in period 3 whose electron affinity is 0. Among the elements, neon is in second period, sulfur, sodium and argons are in third period. As we know, inert element has no tendency to accept electron because due to having octet fulfillment in its outermost shell. So among sulfur, sodium and argon is inert. So argon is the answer. So argon has electron affinity 0. The right answer is option D, argon. Next question. An element with the largest atomic radius among the following: carbon, nitrogen, lithium, beryllium. Here the elements given belong to the second period. All are in second period, and as we know, as we move from in any period from left to right, the atomic size decreases. Okay, here all elements are in second period. As we move from left to right in any period, we know that atomic size decreases. Here lithium is the first element in this period, so that is lithium in the is the first element in this period, so it is in the leftmost element, so lithium will have the largest atomic radius. So the answer is option C, lithium. Let us move to the next question. The compound that is not an ore of aluminium. Okay, the compound that is here, corundum, we know that corundum, bauxite and cryolite, they all are ore of aluminium. Okay, so is not ore of aluminium, that is the answer will be fluorspar. It is, we know, calcium fluoride. Calcium fluoride is fluorspar. Next question. The vapor density of CH3OH is dash. At first we have to calculate the molecular weight of CH3OH. CH3OH molecular weight, that is C, that is 12, H3 and H, number of H atoms total 4, that is 4 into 1, that is 4, and 1 O, that is 16, that is 32. As we know, vapor density is half of molecular weight by 2. Therefore vapor density of CH3OH will be 32 by 2, that is 16. Answer will be option C. Let us move next question. As we know, the article to be plated is used as cathode, and metal used for electroplating is used as anode. So here the reaction at anode is the question. As we know, each Ag atom, silver atom, loses 1 electron in anode and comes in the solution as Ag+. So the right answer should be reaction Ag minus 1E equals to Ag+. Here the option is option C, Ag minus 1 electron. Here the option is option A, Ag minus 1 electron equals to Ag1+. Okay. Next question. The metallic hydroxide which forms a deep inky blue solution with excess ammonium hydroxide solution is. The answer should be CuOH, copper hydroxide, option B. Because copper hydroxide reacts with a solution of excess ammonium hydroxide to form a deep blue solution of tetraamine copper sulfate. Tetraamine copper sulfate. Here is the answer. Here is the reaction. That is, copper hydroxide reacts with excess ammonium hydroxide, forms tetraamine copper sulfate. That is deep blue. Answer is CuO2. Next question. An example of a cyclic organic compound. Here, propene, pentene and butene, they all are open chain compound. All are open chain compound. Here, molecular structure of propene, pentene and butene are there. Are here. And benzene, as we know in benzene, this is close ring compound. Here, in benzene, 6 carbon atoms. Here, 6 carbon atoms form a ring structure, and there are 3 single bond. There are 3 single bond and 3 double bonds between the carbon atoms. Okay, 3 single bond and 3 double bonds between the. Hence, benzene is a cyclic compound. So the answer should be option D, benzene. Next, in the laboratory preparation, HCl gas is dried by passing through. The answer is positively concentrated sulfuric acid. Answer. Why? We know that concentrated sulfuric acid removes the moisture content of HCl gas, but does not react with it. Or that is, H2SO4 absorb moistures from HCl gas, but does not react with it. Okay. So the answer should be concentrated sulfuric acid. Next question. The nitrate which on thermal decomposition leaves behind a residue which is yellow when hot and white when cold. The answer is zinc nitrate. Answer is zinc nitrate, because here zinc nitrate decomposes to produce zinc oxide, which is yellow when hot and white when cold. So the answer is zinc nitrate. As we move, let us move next question. The salt formed when concentrated sulfuric acid reacts with KNO3 above 200 degrees Celsius. According to this equation, KNO3 reacts with concentrated H2SO4 above 200 degrees Celsius to form K2SO4 and HNO3. According to this equation, the answer should be K2SO4. The answer should be K2SO4. Okay. Next question. The property exhibited by concentrated sulfuric acid when it is used to prepare hydrogen chloride gas from potassium chloride. The answer is non-volatile acid property. Why? Because concentrated sulfuric acid has high boiling point due to having very strong intermolecular hydrogen bonding. So H2SO4, due to having this intermolecular hydrogen bonding, H2SO4 is non-volatile. So the property exhibited by concentrated when it is used to prepare hydrogen chloride gas from potassium chloride is non-volatile acid property. Non-volatile acid property. Next question. Is the hydrocarbon formed when sodium propanoate and soda lime are heated together? The options are A, methane, B, ethane, C, ethene, D, propane. We know that it is clearly decarboxylation reaction. It is clearly decarboxylation reaction. In decarboxylation reaction, we know that the number of carbon atom decreases when a carboxylic acid treated with soda lime, then one carbon atom decreases and forms any type of alkane. Okay, here sodium, here the carboxylic acid is propanoic acid, and with the help of soda lime it converts into sodium propanoate. Then the number of carbon atoms is sodium propanoate 3. So the alkane forms. So the alkane which will be formed here by decarboxylation, the number of carbon atoms will be 1 short than this carboxylic acid. So the number of carbon will be 2. So the answer is option B, ethane. So the answer is option B, ethane. Okay. Now next question. The acid which does not form acid salt by a basic radical. As we know that acetic acid is very weak acid, so it does not dissociate completely in water, so it does not form acid salt. H2CO3 can form acid salt, H3PO4 can form, H2SO4 can form acid salt, so the answer is CH3COOH. The general formula of hydrocarbons with single covalent bond is, next question. The general formula of hydrocarbons with single covalent bond, that is alkane. Hydrocarbon with double covalent bond, that is alkene. Triple covalent bond, that is alkane. So the general formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2. We know that. So the answer is option A, CnH2n plus 2. Next question. The indicator which changes to pink color in an alkaline solution is, the answer is phenolphthalein. Because colorless phenolphthalein changes to pink color in an alkaline solution. Okay, phenolphthalein colorless, change in pink in alkaline solution. Let us move to the next question number 2. Question number 1 complete. Now question number 2. Here the first one is matching column A with column B. As we know that the methane is a greenhouse gas. So methane is a greenhouse gas, we know. Hydrogen chloride gas, it is a very volatile, so it has low melting and boiling points. Hydrogen chloride gas. Sodium chloride, it is an ionic compound. As we know that ionic compound generally have high melting and high boiling point. So sodium chloride is 2, that is sodium chloride 2, methane is 3, hydrogen chloride is 4. Oxidation reaction. We know that any chemical species that release electron is called oxidation. That is, oxidation is the electron releasing process. Here zinc releases 2 electron to form Zn2 plus. So it is oxidation reaction, that is D5. And water has two shared pair of electrons. Okay, water has 2 shared pair of electrons and 2 lone pair. Okay, therefore here is the answer matching. Now let us move to the next question. Here a following sketch illustrates the process of conversion of alumina to aluminium. Study the diagram, answer the following. Here is a sketch, electrolyte mixture. Question number A, name the constituent of the electrolyte mixture which has a divalent metal in it. The answer should be calcium fluoride. That is fluorspar. We know in fluorspar is calcium fluoride. Here the divalent metal in it, that is calcium. We know calcium has valency 2, divalent Ca2 plus. Second question, name the powdered substance X. Sprinkled on the surface of the electrolyte mixture. Powdered substance, that is powdered coke. That is powdered coke. Okay, powdered coke. We know that what is the name of the process? The process is Hall-Héroult process. The process is called Hall-Héroult process. Write the reactions taking place at the electrode Y and Z. Y, that is anode, and Z, that is cathode, respectively. Here are the reaction in cathode. That is, reduction takes place. Al3 plus ion takes electron to form aluminium. In anode, oxidation takes place from O2 minus ion. O2 minus ion removes electron to form O, and finally oxygen is formed. So in cathode, aluminium metal is formed and anode, oxygen is formed. Here are the reactions. Now fill in the blanks with the choices given in the brackets. First question, metals are good oxidizing agent or reducing agent? We know that metals always release electrons. Metal always release electrons and form cations. Okay, by releasing electron is reduced others and itself get oxidized. Okay, then metals are good reducing agent.
reduce other and itself get oxidized. Metals are good reducing agent. Okay. Now the next question.
Now, B. Non-polar covalent compounds are good or bad conductors of heat and electricity. We know non-polar covalent compounds such as C6H12O6, that is glucose, it is non-polar. So, due to there is no charge separation in this compound. So, non-polar covalent compounds are bad conductors of heat and electricity. Okay. See, higher the pH value of a solution, the more acidic or alkaline it is. We know that pH 0 to 7 acidic, 7 to 14 alkaline. As we go from 7 to 0, that is pH value decreases, then the strength of acid increases. Therefore, higher the pH value of a solution, the more alkaline it is. Okay, pH value increases, so the strength of acid decreases. Reverse. D. Silver chloride or lead chloride is a white precipitate that is soluble in excess of ammonium hydroxide solution. The answer should be silver chloride. Okay, the answer should be silver chloride. Silver chloride is a white precipitate that is soluble in excess of ammonium hydroxide solution. Last question E. Conversion of ethene to ethane, that is alkene to alkane. Ethene is an example of alkene, that is unsaturation to saturation. Alkane, that is saturation, is an example of positively hydrogenation. Okay, such as C2H42, C2H6. Here addition of H2 molecule, that is hydrogenation. Okay, next. Now state the terms or process for the following. A. The energy released when an atom in the gaseous state accepts an electron to form an anion. It is called
electron gain enthalpy, or we can say electron affinity. Electron gain enthalpy or electron affinity. The amount of energy released when an electron is added to the outermost shell of an isolated gaseous atom. Okay, it is called electron gain enthalpy. Okay, electron gain enthalpy or electron affinity. Okay, let's move next question.
tendency of an element to form chains of identical atoms, that is called catenation, and it is the very special property of carbon. Due to this catenation property, carbon forms thousands and thousands of type of compounds. Okay, and due to this catenation, organic chemistry, this type of chemistry is created. Okay, that is catenation. See, the name of the process by which ammonia is manufactured on a large scale, that is industrial preparation of ammonia, that is called Haber process. That is called Haber's process. Question D. A type of salt formed by partial replacement of hydroxyl radical. Hydroxyl radical partial replacement with an acid radical, that is called basic salt. Okay, that is called basic salt. Partial replacement of hydroxyl radical, basic salt. The ratio of the mass of a certain volume of gas to the same volume of hydrogen measured under the same conditions, temperature and pressure, that is called vapor density. And we know that vapor density is half of molecular weight. That is, vapor density is equals to, we can say, 1 liter of any gas divided by 1 liter of hydrogen gas at constant temperature and pressure. It's called vapor density. Now, the last part. Give the structural formula of the following organic compounds. Number 1, 2-chlorobutane. Okay. Now, give the structural formula of the following organic compounds. Number 1, 2-chlorobutane. Okay. At first, 2-chlorobutane, but, that is meth, eth, prov and but. 2-chloro from left side or from right side, we can start from anywhere. 2-chloro, that is 2 position, at position 2 chlorine is added. Now N, alkane, that is single bond. Now we have to satisfy the valency of carbon 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2, that is 2, 1 2 3, that is 1 1, that is 3. 1 H, 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 H and H. Okay, it is 2-chlorobutane. Now methanal, okay. Now methanal, that is meth, that is number of carbon should be 1, and anal, L, we know that L, the functional group is CHO, and here number of carbon is meth, that is 1. So the structural formula should be C double bond O H, that is CHO, and only 1 carbon, that is methanol. Okay, and butene. Now butene, but at first but, that is number of carbons 4, but meth, eth, pro, but, and now 2-ine, therefore at position 2, triple bond, ine. Now there is no substituent, so single bond, now we have to satisfy the valency of 4 carbon, CH4, 3, 1, 3 and 1, 4, 3 and 1, 4, 1, that is remaining 3, okay, that is but2-ine. Okay, next, give the IUPAC name of the following organic compounds. First of all, number 1, here the functional group is COOH, so it is carboxylic acid, and number of carbon 2, 1 and 2. There is no substituent, therefore metheth, therefore it is ethanoic acid. Okay, ethanoic acid. Here OH is the functional group, OH at position 2 from right side 2. There is no other substituent. There is no substituent here, only functional group OH, therefore it is alcoholic compound. Now it is number of carbon 4, that is butan 2-ol. Okay, butan 2-ol or 2-butanol, anything. So this was all about the section A of the question paper of ICSE 2023. In our next video, we'll discuss about the section B of the question paper. I hope this video have cleared various topics which you may had doubt on any, and in my upcoming videos I would definitely try my best to help you in your preparation for your upcoming exams. Okay, please do comments and like and share, and see you soon with next video. Okay, be happy and healthy. Thank you.